Use that term bomb cyclone. That just means a storm that rapidly intensifies in 24 hours. Yesterday, I showed you just a scant collection of clouds off the Pacific Northwest. Look what it looks like right now, almost like a tropical system. It's not. That's going to be a lot of rain, a lot of snow as well. If you look at how it's going to march across the area, it's not going to be a quick hitter. This does not come in for a day. It lingers and moves through the area. We refer to it as an atmospheric river, the jet stream just continuing to pull moisture in from the ocean. And how much rain are we talking about? The numbers, I showed them to you yesterday, and they really have not changed. For a place like Eureka, 10 to 20 inches, 2 days in a row, projecting the same numbers, confidence is high. That's a lot of rain. And if you go up in elevation where the air is now colder and you can squeeze snow out, well, you're getting up to around Lake Tahoe, Mount Shasta. We're projecting 3 to 6 feet of snow for that area. And as far as the Northeast goes, I do want to show you, the rain is moving in. It should be here by later tomorrow night into Thursday. A real soaker, perhaps 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain for some folks who have seen 0.2 of an inch for the last 49 days. Nora, it's all yours.
Much needed, Lonnie Quinn. Thank you.
In the Pacific Northwest, powerful winds turned trees into lethal projectiles. Huge limbs came crashing down on cars and buses overnight. They also killed at least 2 people in the Seattle area, including a woman who was struck by this tree inside her home. Her husband quickly called 911.
I just had a tree hit my house, and I think it may have fallen on my wife.
Heather Wong is with the Bellevue Fire Department.
So she was showering at the time?
She was in the shower at the time when the tree fell.
Firefighters have been unable to remove the tree to reach her.
I can't imagine what that must be like for him, knowing his wife is still there and you can't get to her right now.
We're doing the absolute best that we can. It's looking like we might have to get a crane out to lift the tree up.
This monster storm has already knocked out power to hundreds of thousands of customers in Washington state. Meanwhile, in Northern California, blizzard-like conditions have shut down parts of the busy I-5 freeway and left hundreds of truck drivers stranded.
Now back here in Renton, well, crews are going to be working throughout the night. We've got power lines all over the place, down in roads like this one. We've got stoplights out, homes are dark, and it could be days before power is restored to everyone. Nora?
Carter Evans, thank you.
Oh, yeah.